Hi everyone, and welcome back to PRR Knowledge Center. In today's session, we'll talk about the demonstration part of SonarQube, which is being used for analyzing static code. So as explained in the previous session, so this is the open source, which can be downloaded from sonarcube.org website. And once you get that folder, zip folder into your local machine, you just unzip that and you just navigate to bin folder and you choose the platform of Windows operating system and then start your Sonar. So as I mentioned already, it was open source code and anybody can download and use it for review of your code in almost 20 plus programming languages. Okay, let's get into this reality, like how it is going to happen. So as I said, like I was having this downloaded folder path in this path here. This is the Sonar Cube 7.5 version. And I have different folders here. Go to bin folder and go to Windows folder here. And here you have start Sonar file here and go to command prompt and just start running this start Sonar so that it will start your Sonar Cube service up and run and default port number 9000. So if you want to open that particular Sonar Cube dashboard, so go here and browse 9000 port number. It is going to display you a SonarQube dashboard as like this. So if you want to analyze your project, so choose this analyze new project option here and it will ask for a token. Just give a demonstration of .NET code and generate. It will generate some unique number here and continue, and it'll ask you what kind of technology you have been used in your source code, and you just select C#.NET because you are saying it's a .NET project. Clone C# or VB.NET, and you provide a unique project key here. I'm saying like uh, a demo and so.NET, let's say like a net, and click on net, done. Then it is going to give you three commands for .NET. So as like this is the one project, and this is first command you need to start. This is for beginning of your Sonar scanner, and this is for no building of your .NET project to rebuild, because if the project is not having no, if the project is having any exceptions during build, it won't review your code, because that is major mistake you as a developer should be corrected before coming to this. You are analyzing tool, hence it is going to ask you to run second command to build your project, and third command is to stop your scanner using this end command. Firstly, I'll copy this first command, and you need to navigate to your the targeted project. So for right now, this is my project. I wanted to check here. These are the two classes in .NET. I want to scan this. Just go to this particular project path here and copy the first command. Click on this. So when you click on this, it will start analyzing and loading the dependent libraries of this Sonar Cube. Once it is done, again go to your this dashboard and click on copy this second command and go to this and run this second command here. So second command was simply building your project as an .NET project. It is going to compile your project using MS Build, and it let you whether it was successfully compiled or not. No, my project was successfully compiled, and it is allowing me to run next command. So going to your this dashboard, copy the third command. Okay, now coming to this command prompt, and just clear this screen, paste the third command, and enter. So now it is going to start analyzing your project, like how many files are there in the root folder and how many lines of code is having basically the keywords and the data types and the arrays and kind of variety of code All these aspects can be analyzed here, and it tell you like how much time it has taken as well. If you look at here, the analysis part here, it has taken 286 milliseconds for this project, and size was 77 kV, and compressed was 166 milliseconds, and the report was uploaded to your SonarQube dashboard. Time was taken 58 milliseconds. So analysis was successfully done, and if you want to see the analysis part, it is telling you to visit this dashboard. Just copy this URL, or you go to this site, it automatically refreshes. Look at here, the title was given me as this demo.net. So hence it is looking like this. Just a minute. So now you can see here, this is what the display name I have given. So this is going to now display here in my dashboard. And this is having two bugs here and one technical debt here and 7 course mails. Okay, just click on these two bugs and we'll see like what are these two bugs here. One is use double dot is nan. So I have used this code. Just click on here. This is what code I have written in program.cs file. I used r equal to double dot nan. So what this tool is suggesting me is use double dot is nan instead of this. So I on how, just click on here, and if you want to see more details on this, and you just click on here, it will tell you why and what. So here you can see non-compliant code. Your use nan, this is non-compliant, and it is asking to use uh, this thing is now. So you just go through this compilation solution, compliance solution here, and see reference of this security flag, and get it finalized, get it reviewed, and get it fixed, and come back and again run this tool. And going back second issue, I think second issue also reported a similar kind of thing. It's also kind of a nan. I've been used it, and it is suggesting to use isnan, which is a compliant code. Going back to issues, I mean this dashboard. So two issues was this, the compliance, and coming to this one technical debt. What is this technical debt? Actually, it was showing me there are three hidden components with score 0. What are all those? Programs, properties, C shop.cs, sonar.cs. So what they're saying about this is, let's look at here, and I think it's not provided anything. Let's go back and look at this course mails here. What are all the course mails it has given? So let's look at here constructor, no, or the static keyword to the class. Just click on here. So in my program, I used a program class and I didn't use any keyword here. And it is suggesting me to use protected constructor or the static keyword to the class declaration. So why means just click on here. It will tell you like why and what. So utility classes, which are collections of static numbers, are not meant to be instantiated. So C# adds an implicit public constructor to every class which does not explicitly define at least one constructor. Hence, at least one protected constructor should be defined if you wish to subclass this utility class, or the static keyword should be added to the class declaration to prevent subclassing. So basically, this code was non-compliant, this thing. And coming to this complaint solution was this one. So like this, it is giving more detailed description and resolution part for each and every issue, and it is very good. Like having of all this stuff, it is very easy for the developer to directly jump into this and look at this security log or security details and go for direct fixing. So if you don't have these all stuff and it's only giving a report saying that these are the issues reported in this SonarQube and you need to handle it, if that is the case, again, it has a problem for the developer. They have to discuss about the reported issues, and they have to take a plan and take a, the approval to handle it. But when it comes to the here, this tool SonarQube is giving details in more in detail. This was, the approved details they are giving it. Hence, it was universally accepted, and you have to follow it, and you have to fix the based on the resolution comments. And coming to here, variable is assigned, but its value now used. This variable got declared here. I think in this program, it's not being used yet. So what they are saying is variables should be used, otherwise should not be assigned a value. And if you want to check the comments also, you can check it. So I think it doesn't give any explanation for this, because it's a universal truth that if you're declaring a variable, that variable should be used, otherwise you have to remove it. And coming to other areas, almost all are this way. Change this condition so that it does not always evaluate true. What is that? Click on here, and telling about same other issue on the same code. Change these conditions so that it does not always evaluate true. So what actually it is, if a Boolean expression does not change the evaluation of the condition, then it is entirely unnecessary and can be removed if it is gratuitous because it does not match the programmer's intent. Then it's a bug and the expression should be fixed. So what they are saying is, you declare a variable, and so whatever you are doing it, so that condition should be changed. It does not always evaluate true. Okay, the complaint code is looks like here. Here I'm declaring a variable here equal true, and I'm validating it and doing something. And coming to here, B and a non-compliant code, because A always true. When it is a true always, there is no intention to validate again it here, right? This is what non-compliant code. How it looks like is A is true if foo of A, this is the function seems, and just pass the value directly and do something. And if it is not any value having true, then that time you validate it. But here it is clearly value you are assigning it. Something it is assigning means it's always the true part. So hence it is suggesting to change the code that like no does not always evaluate true. Hence you have to change that condition and you go for other coding standard to fix this problem. So these are all about issues which got reported in this project. Totally 2 bugs and 7 code snippets, and this is what so rating they are giving it. So no duplications and coverages and vulnerabilities in this project, and totally it was passed. So the project has been passed, the given same thing. The lines of code you have written was 86. This is what the lines of code having all of this. We count all these files, it almost lines of code was 86. So this is how they are giving you lines of code, historical data, issues. There is no coverage, custom, add metric, bugs, seems not coming this graphic. Anyway, so this is all about the issues happening here in this project, and you can see all this summary in the dashboard. So I hope you understand like how you're going to use this SonarQube and how it is going to help you to review your code and find out bugs and display you in the dashboard. And it is very easy for any developer to go and see the dashboard and look at these issues as per their solutions. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I hope you understand the purpose of SonarQube and how you're going to use it for scanning your static code, which was being developed in different programming languages. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos on different technologies. Thank you.